So management is the art or process of getting things done through others. With two words are very important. कैसे कराना लोगों से काम, effective भी होना चाहिए काम और efficient भी होना चाहिए. The work should be effective as well as efficient. But now we have to start with, sir, what exactly do you mean by this effectively and efficiently? So let us start our class with a discussion regarding what is effectiveness, what is efficiency, and then what is the difference between them. So are you ready? So let us begin and discuss the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. पहले एक जनरल डिस्कशन करेंगे, then after that I will show you the table कैसे आपको differentiation लिख के आना. Okay? So firstly, we are talking about, firstly let us talk about effectiveness. When we will call that a manager is effective, a person is effective, right? So let us take an example. So this is Ramu. Okay, this is not Ramu dosa. This is normal Ramu, and he is an electrician. This is Ramu. Meet Ramu. Ramu is an electrician. Now, Ramu को काम मिला. Ramu got a work to do, and Ramu got a work to do. Right? उसको भेजा गया एक शॉप पे fittings कर दे. There is a new shop which has opened, so he has to do electrical fittings there. Right? Now, Ramu गया and 3 days में उसने काम पूरा कर दिया फिटिंग. 3 days में काम पूरा कर दिया. रामू गया, रामू ने काम कर दिया, चाहे कितने भी दिन में गया हो. रामू took 3 days to complete the work and he has completed the work. He has done the job, right? Doing the job. He is doing the job, he has done the job. So Ramu is effective because Ramu is completing a job. समझ आया आपको? So here effective कब बोलेंगे रामू को? रामू completes the work. जैसे ही रामू ने काम पूरा करा, the moment Ramu is completing the work, then he is effective because he is completing the work. So associate effectiveness with completion of the work. Got it? Now let us modify this a little. Now the owner of this firm said that I need the work to be done, but please complete it. Please complete it with less cost and less resources. Resources कम लगेंगे तो cost भी कम आएगी. So less cost and less resources. Yes, less cost and less resources. So Ramu went again. So Ramu, in the second case, Ramu firstly was using rupees 2000 material. Now he's using rupees 1700 material. Now he's saving rupees 300 for the guy. So now Ramu is efficient as well. So if you talk about cost saving, अगर cost saving की बात कर रहे हैं, we are trying to reduce the cost, we are trying optimum utilization of resources, then Ramu is efficient. So efficient कब है? Minimum resources and minimum cost. This RES is resources. If you want me to write pura, okay. Minimum resources and minimum cost. So here you can remember that effectiveness is completing the job. हमें job खत्म करना है, वही काम खत्म करो. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या हो सकती है फर्स्ट केस में? फर्स्ट केस में ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है रामू के साथ कि ही कैन वेस्ट रिसोर्सेज. जितना यूज करना है करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिक्वायर्ड 2000 का सामान था, 1700 का, 1700 वर्थ ऑफ resources were required, but he wasted 2200 rupees, 2300 rupees because he is not efficient. Once he is efficient, then he is using less resources. Okay, sir, it means efficiency is very good and effectiveness is not. No. So now let us continue. So the main point was effectiveness is when we are doing the job. we are completing the job. Efficiency is we are not focused on completing the job, we are focused on saving our resources. So which is better? Both. So we have to balance both. We should be both, a manager should be both effective and efficient. That's why the definition says effectively and efficiently both, not only one. Okay, so if you write one, your marks will be deducted. So again, management is the process or art of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।